Time district judge and retired police officer in Berks County is now on the other side of the law. Authorities say District Judge Tim Dougherty stole more than $100,000.
Police say Timothy Dougherty stole money from his own court and even took funds from a local fire department.
Jessica Yuki, and we are live at Reading Hospital, where there is a twist to this story. Now, the magistrate, Tim Dougherty, was set to be arraigned, and we're told there was an emergency before the judge he was facing. He apparently fell and was brought here to the hospital. Just a short time ago, we checked in with the hospital. He is still being evaluated and has not been officially charged.
Yes, the district judge is free on bail tonight after being arraigned on criminal charges. That arraignment was supposed to happen yesterday, but the judge had to be rushed to the hospital instead.
Did you intend to put a longtime district judge charged with theft is staying quiet, but his attorney is speaking out. Authorities say Judge Tim Dougherty stole more than $100,000 from his court and from a local volunteer fire department, but his attorney says don't rush to judgment.
That district judge was back in court today, but this time as a defendant. And in court, we learned some new details, that Dougherty has been suspended and that he suffered a broken shoulder blade after falling down a flight of stairs. Now, his attorney tells us he's determined to fight these charges, and he says, don't rush to judgment. Any comment on these charges at all? As longtime district judge Tim Dougherty dodged our questions, his wife tried to block our cameras with her umbrella. Did you intend to put the money back? Dougherty's left arm now in a sling after his attorney says he suffered a broken shoulder blade.
Authorities say he stole from the Wyomissing Fire Department, where he served as treasurer, and from his own court.
It's a little north of $15,000 from the court, and it's nearly $100,000 from the fire company.
The Pennsylvania Attorney General's office filed criminal charges against Dougherty after agents were tipped off by the Berks County District Attorney's office.
It's always very troubling when you see an instance of a public elected official who abuses the powers of his office.
The Attorney General's office says the judge even tried to pay back the $15,000 that went missing from the court a day before he was subpoenaed to testify about the lost funds.
Criminal charges filed against longtime district judge Timothy Dougherty are sending shockwaves through West Reading and Wyomissing.
It's a sad day. As a Wyomissing business owner, I feel sad. I feel sad for our fire department.
Investigators say Dougherty stole most of the money from the Wyomissing Fire Department while he was treasurer. More than $97,000 gone for the course of about 7 years.
Those guys are out there risking their lives every day to save people, and then you would take away from them. It's terrible.